Bueno, mi gente, it's July 20, 2023, and we're getting ready to go. La abuela is ready to go, all packed up and ready to hit the road for 1,185 kilometers today, 13 hours and a half from here to Stockholm. Let's go. We have a beautiful day. As long as it doesn't rain, it's a beautiful day. And we are set to go. We had a great time yesterday here. I hope you watched the video from yesterday and you enjoy it as much as we did. We went to the Santa Claus village, and today we're going to Stockholm in Sweden, country number 22. So let's go, let's hit the road. Bueno, mi gente, and we are here in Söderholm, about 2.5 hours away from Stockholm, and we found this little hotel right here. It doesn't look very appealing, but let me tell you, it's very good. I like it. It's not brand new. The price was right. It was about $100. Look at this meal. Look at this meal that we're having. Finally out of the hot dogs and paninis. So we are right here, and we're drinking the best water right here. Tap water.
Swedish tap water.
Swedish tap water. Thank you very much.
Best water in the world.
Yeah,
Thank you.
You can't even compete with it. Cleaner than the bottled water.
There you go. Thank you. So today, my point of views on traveling from Santa Claus village to here. We were thinking about going to Stockholm, do it in one shot. It was about 1200 kilometers. We couldn't make it. The weather was bad. I had a bad night of sleep, and I don't know if you saw my face on the first part of the video, but we couldn't make it anyway. So a lot of cameras for speeding, a lot, and they were going from 110 to 70 to 50 to 40 kilometers. So you were going really fast, and then all of a sudden you see the sign, you'll see it on the video, and boom, you're dropping down to 70, 80, 40, depending on sometimes. And they were like one after another, like 10 kilometers apart, 5 kilometers apart, and a lot of them. There were a lot of speeding cameras that we saw. After you go to Norway, I mean, you know, I just was talking to the guy that you just saw that brought me the water. I mean, you know, Norway is everything. So, but I mean, the Scandinavian countries is a must visit. We enjoying everything that we do. Of course, it doesn't really matter. I mean, I don't ride from point A to point B. I just ride from point A to point B, and in between, and trying to see people. We couldn't do it today because it was pouring down. We got all weathers, and right here I'm wearing my Alaska pullover because it is cold right now. The pizza is amazing. So with that, all I can say is this trip to the Scandinavian countries, Norway, Denmark, Finland, Sweden, those four, they're a must. It is kind of expensive, but it is worth it. I've seen guys that do camping anywhere and everywhere. I couldn't do it because of the weather, and some nights were too cold for me to camp, and I just couldn't just stop anywhere and just start camping. You save a lot of money through that. Hotel wise was between $80 to $100 a night average. Camping wise was the same, because by the time you rent the sheets and this and that, this charge and that other charge and cleaning, they came up to be the same. You can do it without a tent. A lot of people do it without a tent. And all I can say is today ride was the video. I mean, it's a video that I wanted to show a little bit from Finland to Sweden, how the geography changed. But other than that, let me tell you, a place that it must be visited. Ride and be careful. A lot of speed traps. So with that said, I'm going.